you're your own boss. You can't beat that. Okay, so hey everyone. Okay, today's video is gonna be on how to make money, how to start making money today with no experience and no money necessary. Okay, how, you ask yourself? Okay, today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do it. Okay, I did make a video yesterday of how to make money 100% profit. Okay, now today's video is gonna be how to make money with no money. Yeah, with no money and no experience necessary. Okay, now I know we all have phones, we all have computers, we all have access to one of these and everything. So what we are going to do, either through a library, a family member's phone, or whatever. Okay, so what we're going to need is internet access. You're going to go in, you are going to post on a couple of websites, and this is also including Craigslist. I don't know what state you live in, but I do know that in Minnesota, I know we have Craigslist, OfferUp, Letgo. We have this thing called Carousel. We also have eBay. We have a couple of different places where we can actually post. So what we're going to do, first step we're going to do is we are going to start posting on these sites and everything. I don't know what state you're in. You could check out, or you would know what websites you can post on for free in your states. Okay, so let's get started. First step, you're gonna post up that you can go pick up. If anybody has anything to donate, let's say they don't want something and they don't want to take it to, to the place, like let's say Savers. Like here in Minnesota, I know we have Savers, we have Salvation Army, we have different places where people go and donate stuff. So in your state and everything, it's like, I'm pretty sure there's different places, they're named differently. I'm sorry, kind of tired. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that you're gonna post ads and everything where you're gonna be asking people, if you have any donations, if you have anything you don't want, feel free to contact me. I will come by and pick up. You can either put an email, put a phone number. If you do have a phone number and everything, it is best if you do put up a phone number, because people don't really like to email, because a lot of the emails do end up being scams. Okay, and then it looks more legit and everything if you put a phone number, and then that way they can communicate with you, set up a time and everything for them to be able to set the stuff outside for you to come just pick it up, take it home. Okay, step number 2. What you're gonna do after you have items, you are gonna take these items, you're gonna take a picture of all of them, and then you're gonna start posting it for sale on different websites, including in these websites, depending on if it's clothes or electronics. If you do have electronics and you want to make money today, I suggest you go to pawn shops, or you post it up on these websites too and everything, where you could do pickup. Okay, so don't forget that one right there, where you put pickup and everything, people will contact you, they can come pick it up the same day. Okay, and then you made money today. Okay, so the next step and everything is you're going to be posting these items. You're going to be posting them on different websites. Okay, so each website that you post it on, make sure you keep track. So then that way, if it sells on one, if you end up selling an item on one website, then make sure you go in and you take them down from the other websites, because you don't want people to still think that that item is available, and all of a sudden you made 2 or 3 sales, and all of a sudden, it's like you got to explain to them like, oh, okay, they already made the payment, kind of like eBay, like where they go in and they make the payment right away. Okay, so if they make the payment right away, you're going to look bad if all of a sudden you don't have this item available. Okay, that's step number 2. Step number 3. Okay, step number 3 is just going to be more like a little tip and trick. Do not underestimate family. Don't let go neighbors. Don't let go of anybody. Anything, you talk to them, you tell them, because a closed mouth does not get fed. Okay, remember that one. So basically, neighbors, friends, family, mom, dad, cousin, brother, uncle, nephew, everyone. You just ask everyone, hey, do you have stuff you don't want? Hey, you don't have to go through it today. You could give it to me tomorrow. Hey, you could give it to me, like next week. Just tell me, just go through your stuff and everything, kind of like declutter. If you have stuff that you don't want, just set it to the side. I'll come get it. Okay, that's kind of like, just go about it that way. Don't be too, don't be too pushy, because then sometimes they won't want to give it to you. So just kind of like you know, ease into that conversation. Like, hey, you know, do you have anything? So if they do, okay, just be kind of ease into it, kind of like, you know, hey, do you have stuff that you don't want? So if they do, they'll give it to you. You're going to be the person they're going to be coming to. Okay. And tell them that anything and everything, just not only clothes, you could also be shoes. It could be jewelry. It could be hair stuff. It could be, makeups, because you never know. Sometimes a lot of females like will go in and will buy makeup, and we literally like at the moment we want it, but then all of a sudden it's like we just never use it. I know, because I'm one of them. Okay, so basically you could go in, you know, get like just anything and everything. Then therefore you could go through all of it, pick out the things that you want, pick out the things that you know are going to make you money, things that you can post, things that aren't going to be too heavy to post. Electronics, you can also go to pawn shops, you could go to different places, you could set up as pick up today. That is the way you can make money starting today. No money, no experience necessary. You work the hours you want, you work the time you want, you're your own boss. You can't beat that. Okay, so I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. If you guys have any more ideas or any questions for me, feel free to ask them down below. I will get back to you. Okay, have a good day.